Good morning, viewers. This speed is of December 1984 from the book code number SL1, page number 81. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. We all know that oceans have played a great part in the past and how they have inspired courage of all kinds. It is said that those who have the shipping have the wealth. The oceans linked the countries and enabled our goods to go to distant parts and made it possible for the other countries to discover land they had not thought of. The ocean brought traders to our borders. It also brought different communities and individuals who enriched our culture. The ocean is a treasure house of useful resources for food and industry. Today, I inaugurate this project for manufacture of special ships. This is one step further in our journey towards self-reliance. The size of our industrial base is an indication of the increasing skill of our technical persons. We have developed ability to follow skills and design equipment suitable to our needs. This is also another feature of our defense industry. Of course, this would not have been possible but for the hard work of those who are doing shipbuilding here and workers who are involved at different levels of construction. We must always be on the lookout for further advances and work for the cause of future efficiency and progress. As a nation, we stand for peace and stability everywhere in the world. Only in conditions of age we can develop. But these principles cannot close the reality of our very troubled world. It is necessary for us to be able to reconcile our defense needs with the necessities of development and our capacity to manufacture the equipment we require and also the cost we can afford. In spite of the views and efforts of all the states, the Indian Ocean has been converted into a great fighting center for big powers. Thus, our Navy's responsibility has increased to a very great extent. It has to be fully equipped and made capable of dealing with any emergency. Hence, production program of this industry naturally assumes great importance for us. I congratulate officers and workers of this unit on having achieved progress and adhering to standards of quality. Further improvement in the quality of our defense will be determined by the extent of the success of our research and development work. Advanced countries are reaching still higher levels of perfection. Ours is a developing economy. We cannot equal the resources of the big powers. Naval ships are complicated and their manufacture is difficult, but still we must bear with them. In the present situation, local production of ships is necessary for our defense. Today's project is very big. I am glad that so far work is going according to schedule. Time fixed must be followed in all project implementation, as delays increase expenditure and reduce our strength. Every rupee spent must bring back equal return to our people. Our friendship with developed countries is one of the examples of our desire to work more closely with all countries in the world and remove disparities so that all countries can live in peace and happiness. I have great pleasure in inaugurating this project and convey my good wishes to all concerned with this project. I am especially glad to see two of our previous admirals with us here. May all of you succeed in your efforts for the strength and welfare of our great country. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated the 10th August 1984, in which you have complained about the delay on our part in the supply of packing boxes ordered by you. We are extremely sorry for the inconvenience caused to you in this regard, but we are rather forced to inform you that owing to a severe fire accident that occurred recently in our factory, most of the packing material has been lost in the fire. That is the reason why we could not meet your demand. You will therefore appreciate that we are not entirely responsible for the delay. Moreover, we will not be in a position to run the machinery at least for another month, as it is likely to take quite some time to get it repaired. We are aware that this may affect our business relations with our customers, but we hope in the circumstances you will appreciate that the delay caused is beyond our control. In the meantime, with a view to avoid any further delay, we would like to suggest the use of another type of packing boxes as a substitute, which we are in a position to supply immediately. If you are agreeable to this suggestion, we shall endeavor to deliver your maximum requirement at an early date, while assuring you of our best attention at all times. Early confirmation is requested. Thanking you, yours faithfully.